Hello, my loves. Let's make them obsess with you. Let's make them think about you. And let's reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that you are so worthy of unconditional love. Now, I want you to just relax your body. So, just take a few deep breaths. The reason that affirmations work is because your subconscious mind is the one responsible for manifesting your desires. We are going to reprogram your subconscious mind while it is in a relaxed state, because that's when it is the most open and receptive to new thoughts and new beliefs. I'm going to say these affirmations. Feel free to repeat them after me, or feel free to just relax and listen and absorb the information and energy I am giving you. I am so worthy of unconditional love. I am so worthy of unconditional love. I am so magnetic. I am so magnetic. Good people and good things can't help but be drawn towards me. Good people and good things can't help but be drawn towards me. I am confident and I am love. I am confident and I am love. I am surrounded by positivity and love. I am surrounded by positivity and love. Everything I do makes people more attracted to me. Everything I do makes people more attracted to me. Love is my natural state. Love is my natural state. Attracting love comes easily to me. Attracting love comes easily to me. I am so charming and so magnetic. I am so charming and so magnetic. I am more than they could ever want. I am more than they could ever want. I am open to love. I am open to love. My presence magnetizes people. My presence magnetizes people. I am the perfect partner. I am the perfect partner. I glow with beauty from the inside and out. I glow with beauty from the inside and out. I am so confident that it only enhances my beauty. I am so confident that it only enhances my beauty. My smile lights up the room. My smile lights up the room. When I walk into a room, people can't help but notice. When I walk into a room, people can't help but notice. I radiate love and beauty from within. I radiate love and beauty from within. My desires desire me. My desires desire me. Everything I want wants me more. Everything I want wants me more. I love love and love loves me. I love love and love loves me. My energy is irresistible. My energy is irresistible. People can't help but be attracted to me. People can't help but be attracted to me. I get compliments everywhere I go. I get compliments everywhere I go. People are happier when they are around me. People are happier when they are around me. Everything I want comes so easily. Everything I want comes so easily. I am perfection. I am perfection. Sending you so much love. Listen to these affirmations once before bed for best results, because before we go to bed is when our subconscious mind is the most open to suggestion. I love you, and follow for more.